Want stunning close-ups of birds and wildlife? Choosing the right lens is critical. In 2024, these are the top contenders for capturing breathtaking shots, no matter your budget. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Canon RF 800mm f11 IS STM. This lens for EOS R series cameras delivers impressive reach in a compact and lightweight design, ideal for handheld shooting. Its fixed f11 aperture may feel limiting, particularly for wildlife photographers who prefer flexibility in low light, but it's the reason the lens is much smaller and lighter than DSLR equivalents. Weighing just 1,260 grams, this super-telephoto lens is comfortable for long shoots, and the effective optical image stabilization ensures sharper results. The retractable mechanism reduces its length for easy storage, making it versatile for a range of uses, from capturing local sports to photographing wildlife in remote locations. Overall, it's a practical option for photographers seeking a long-reach lens without the bulk of traditional super-telephoto glass. Number 2. Fujifilm XF100-400mm f4.5 to 5.6 R LM OIS WR. This well-crafted APS-C format lens exudes quality, with a robust build and premium features. Internally, it boasts a fast autofocus system driven by dual linear motors and a 5-stop optical stabilizer, ensuring smooth and accurate performance. The optical design includes 5 ED elements and a super ED element, delivering excellent clarity and reducing chromatic aberrations. Weather-sealed with a fluorine-coated front element, it resists moisture and fingerprints effectively. Despite its APS-C design, it's fairly hefty for a 100 to 400mm zoom. But the image quality is impressive, even though sharpness slightly decreases at the Number 4. Nikon Z 800mm f6.3 VRS. This lens offers impressive telephoto reach in a compact, lightweight package thanks to its f6.3 aperture and phase Fresnel element, technology typically used to focus beams in lighthouses. The powerful optical VR pairs seamlessly with IBIS in Z-series full-frame cameras, delivering exceptionally sharp images, especially for bird photography. Thoughtful handling features make it reliable for capturing decisive wildlife moments, even handheld, ensuring consistent results. While it's not cheap, it costs less than half the price of the Nikon Z 400mm f2.8 TC-VRS, offering excellent value for those seeking top-notch telephoto performance without the hefty weight or price. Number 5. Sony FE 200 to 600mm f5.6 to 6.3 G OSS. This Sony E-mount lens offers a 600mm focal length, comparable to Sigma and Tamron's 150 to 600mm models for Canon and Nikon. Its size and weight are fairly standard, but feel slightly bulkier on lighter Sony Alpha mirrorless bodies. On APS-C cameras, the maximum focal length effectively extends to around 900mm. Triple mode stabilization supports both static and panning shots, with an option for stabilization only during exposure to better track moving subjects like birds. The DDSSM autofocus is very fast, with customizable focus hold buttons around the barrel for added control. Optical image stabilization works well alone and even better with in-body stabilization in later Sony Alpha A7 and A9 models. Image quality, sharpness, contrast, and clarity is excellent across the entire zoom range. So, which lens takes the crown? For its incredible reach and surprising affordability, the Nikon Z 800mm f6.3 VRS is our top pick. Let us know your favorite in the comments below.